Hey everyone, Chef Anthony here, talking about induction cooking, really focusing on the grill pan accessory here. We have a lot of makes and models. It comes from a 15-inch, 30-inch induction to a 36 that we're showing right now. And the beauty about this is, we talk about indoor and grilling and things like that. Now we can use this griddle pan to make breakfast, we can make lunch, we can make dinner with it. We could do all kind of searing and all kind of options, but it gives you this great space, okay? So what we're gonna do is I have a flank steak here, I marinated it overnight, okay? We're gonna pat it dry right now just to get the excess moisture off, because that seasoning, that marinade's in there. We're just gonna put a little dry rub right over it, okay, just like that. Now, we're just gonna pick it up off the paper towel because we have it nice and dry on the bottom. We're just gonna put it right down here and we're gonna get that great sear, okay? Top it off with a little bit more seasoning. And here's what we wanna show. We have a 3-pound piece of flank steak here. We could very easily finish the rest of our meal, put the potatoes, put our veg on here, and get a great cook. But, now we have that beauty of induction. Put our hand anywhere here on the cooked surface, as long as we're not touching it, it's cool to the touch. Look at that. We actually have splatter coming over from the hot seared pan, nice and cool. But here's what I want to show you too. They always say, how does induction cook? What are the big pieces of it? When I look at this from an overview and I see it right here, and I see it right here, here, and here, that's 4 different points that I'm pointing to that are all getting the same amount of heat and the same amount of sear. That's what induction does. It gives you even heat on that cook surface, whether you're using a frying pan, whether you're using a pot or a grill pan. So we talk about the even cook of the induction. You know what I mean? But not only that, even the cleanability. Look at all this splatter right now. Look at all that mess it's making. Here, look, super clean to the touch. A microfiber towel, Windex with white vinegar will clean this. You know what your outdoor grill would look like. You know what your gas cooktop would look like on this too. So let's just check it out. Look at that. We're getting a great caramelization on the edge, move it around. But I mean, that's just a nice piece of flank steak that we can cook 5 to 7 minutes on each side. Finish it right on this grill pan, and push button right here. We can lower it or raise it depending on our doneness that we want. So think about all the benefits of the induction, but the use of the grill pan and the accessories that come with it really make it a powerhouse in the kitchen.